We have another wonderful early brass car for you, ladies and gentlemen, today. This is going to be lot 179. It's the 1910 Premier Model 440 5-passenger touring. A very interesting car, very interesting specification. This car is a big 4-cylinder, 340 cubic inch 4-cylinder T-head engine, offering quite a stout 40 horsepower, which was quite significant for its day. It's an excellent older restoration. Now the Premier mark may not be so well known today, but they indeed did live up to their name and period. They produced racing cars for the Vanderbilt Cup, also for the Indianapolis 500. As I said, technically quite advanced. Has a 4-speed transmission, manual of course, shaft drive rear axle, light and attractive 5-passenger touring coach fork, as you can see here. An extremely high quality brass era touring car from a brand with a true competition heritage.
Thanks, David. I like it a lot myself, I have to say. Great brass car. I think it's the only brass full touring car on Amelia Island for sale this whole weekend, amazingly. Interest starts me here, 150 Australian, $100,000. I have here at less than 100,000 already, 100, 110, 120. 120 I hold it at 120,000 now. At 120,000 is my offer at 120,000 now. At $120,000, that's 120, and they take 30 fees. $120,000 only. 120,000, 130,000 now. 130,000. You go on at 130,000. Holding the bid at 130,000. There, take another bid, 130,000. Gary, for you perhaps, 130,000. Let's settle this, 130,000. At 130,000, it's open at least, 130,000. Is there more at 130,000? Let's take another offer from the room, please, at 130,000. Telephones acquired on this one, $130,000. 130,000. I offer more, 130,000. Seems to be quiet this time at 130. What about 5? 135 perhaps. 130 units. Then take another 5 please from the room. 130. 130 only. 130 only. Then take a $5,000 bid from the room. 130,000. Barry, you have one? 130? You are indeed. $130,000. Is there any more? Do I call it at 130,000? We're out down here at 130. No more? Sure. We're out. 130 it is. You can see us afterwards on that.